Here's Guido doing monkey bars. Always swing your hips. It helps reaching the other bar. Nice. Nice and straight. The back, the legs, the head, everything is aligned. Come down slow, like you just did. Okay, nice. Just gonna do other kind of monkey bars. Same kind of exercise. Swing your hips. Again, nice and straight, back and legs. Come down slow. Nice. Same principle. Swing your hips. Okay, he's going to do monkey bars. Going down, and then he's going to turn around and come back up. This exercise is very challenging, more so coming up. Nice. Look at his feet did not touch the ground at all. All arm strength and abs. Nice.